We help brands find millions of new customers by connecting them to marketplaces globally. So we're basically a one-stop solution to sell more on marketplaces. Well, B2B marketing has its own specific set of challenges, like longer sales cycles and also influencers impacting a buying decision. So it was very important for ChannelEngine to have a strong B2B marketing foundational knowledge. Spot On Vision is a well-known B2B marketing agency, and the course that was offered was very pragmatic, with topics that were very relevant for the team, and so it was a good fit for us. The team now has a strong B2B marketing foundation that allows them also to build further upon. It also allows them to be really successful in what they do, which is essential for ChannelEngine. It's very easy to do this course alongside work because it was a 6-week program. So in that sense, it wasn't a huge disruption. It also allowed the participants to immediately apply their learnings into practice. And it's a very interactive session, which the participants really enjoyed. And also we were in 3 different time zones. So it was a little bit of a challenge, and Spot On Vision made that super easy. Pragmatic, engaging, interactive.